nothing to fix. What kind of kid is me? You've got a home where I can lift and I can see. Oh, you've got a home where I can poke out just to see me from. I'm fine when the daylight retreats. I feel it's my retrieval